In this video, I'm going to share with you exciting information about Supermint Essential Oil Blend for energy, motivation, focus, head tension, nausea, and so much more. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. When you stick around until the end, you'll have a chance to access my Aging Backward Naturally guide. We are super excited about this Supermint blend because it fits perfectly with our Naturally Aging Backward program. If you want more energy, focus, stamina, you will love to have Supermint in your toolbox. Supermint is a blend of peppermint, Japanese mint, spearmint, and bergamot mint. Conveniently, it comes in 3 forms: a 15 ml bottle, a pre-diluted 10 ml roller, and convenient pop-in-your-mouth beadlets. I love to roll it on the back of my neck and temples for tension. Plus, it's so cooling. Supermint is great in your water. It's uplifting, refreshing, and it helps with mental focus and enhanced stamina. If you experience digestive issues, just take a little Supermint in your water and or roll it on your abdomen. Apply Supermint topically or diffuse it to open airways. Roll it over your lungs to up-level your workout. We do that every day. Add Supermint to your massage for its soothing and cooling effect to relieve muscle tension. The Supermint beadlets are great for a refreshing burst of fresh flavor. Preclinical studies suggest doTERRA Supermint beadlets may support a clean, healthy mouth. More confirming clinical research is needed, but chewing 4 beadlets can contribute to the feeling of clear breathing and may ease occasional stomach upsets. I use the beadlets in my office to help with mental focus. Keep them in your pocket or purse and use them on the go. Supermint is great in your toolbox when cravings hit and to suppress appetite. Thank you for sticking around until the end of this video, and I want to give you access to my Oils for Aging Backward private class by clicking in the link on the description below. You can also access the additional link and download my Aging Backward Naturally guide. I'm so grateful you stuck around, and please give this video a thumbs up if you found value in the information, and go ahead and check out my other videos.